Have you ever dreamed of owning your own train? A real train, that is, not a scale model of one. If you're not a railroad tycoon, you might think that's out of reach. But do you know there are small rail cars that are affordable for us mere mortals? They're called rail speeder cars, and the hobby of restoring them and running them is picking up steam. I traveled to the beautifully restored Tamaqua Station in the heart of Pennsylvania's anthracite region with Alan from Revenge of the Apocalypse to get my first look at the speeder cars. These cars were formerly used for railroad maintenance and inspection, but have been replaced by the high rail pickup trucks that we're used to seeing today. Many of these old cars have been bought by rail enthusiasts who have restored them and operate them in organized excursions. Today's excursion was sanctioned by NARCOA, the North American Rail Car Operators Association. They are a nonprofit organization with over 1,400 members worldwide, and they promote the safe and legal operation of these rail speeders. This Pennsylvania Railroad speeder was my second favorite, as it reminded me of a GG1.
How are we out? Okay. All right.
The excursion stopped for half an hour in Tamaqua, where they had food, drink, and restrooms for the riders. They had started to the south in Schuylkill Haven and would be heading north from here to Hazleton. The return trip will pass through here later in the afternoon. This stop gave me a good chance to check the speeders out up close and to talk to some of the owners.
Oh yeah, you get run over. West Virginia, okay. I have a headlight off the Western Maryland steam engine, and I have a builder's plate off the Western Maryland steam engine. Wow. Sounds like you sound like you're on the side. Yeah, we the little kind of ring I use back in.
You can buy these for as little as $3,000 if they need work, and fully restored ones will set you back a bit over $10,000. These organized excursions are the only way to legally operate them, and you must be licensed and insured by NARCOA to do so.
Everybody did a little something different. I had low cars all the time. Bang nails in with, pull nails out with, cut wire, cut bolts. I was looking at things right here. I'll tell her use the shade.
Not heated in the winter either.
I found one for sale and bought it in 1991 or 92. I'm only allowed to much. Really?
This chassis speeder was my favorite, as it has the same paint scheme as my favorite N-scale diesel from my childhood.
Just the hand grip.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Oh, that's okay. You're fine.
Yeah, I would have the heated suit if I was
Yeah, they do make that.
But yeah, you can't get them off the tracks in the gauge here. You have to.
Yeah, but down there, that looks like a original
Oh yeah.
working one. The one that used to work.
Oh yeah, definitely. A lot of them are.
It's just almost commercially built.
Yep. Oh, thank you very much. The other guy.
That beaver car blew the master link off the chain and killed the hydraulics.
I was surprised to learn that many of these had to be crank started like antique cars, but it didn't look too hard to do. Will I ever own one of these? I certainly would love to, but there is a lot of time and expense involved in maintaining them and running them, so for now, probably not. But I'll never say never.